popping. Alright, YouTube, we finally back. We got the car revealed. If y'all can tell by this angle, if you've been watching, you already know I was talking about getting a Q50, but it's not a Q50. So I wanted to go with a Q50, but I couldn't find one in a reasonable range. So we did end up finding a Q70L. The L stands for the long wheelbase, in case you didn't know. This is the all-wheel drive. And I did already get some exhaust work done. YouTube, we is back. As y'all can see, we is in a new car. Now you might be wondering, if you watch my older videos, you were like, oh, you were talking about getting a Q50. But as you can see, my interior is not a Q50 though. So, gotta let it VQ sound. But alright, so what ended up happening, y'all, I was looking for a Q50, a 2015, just cause I wanted the 3.7. Now, I did find some, but all the ones that I found that was like close-ish to where I'm at, or like ones that I could get, that was asking way too much, I'm not gonna lie. That was asking way too much. Now I did come across what I'm in right now, which is a Q70L. So if y'all know the Q70, you can get it in the V6 3.7, or you can get it in the V8. I think it's a 5.6 liter, I want to say. Couldn't find no V8s though, but so I got the Q70 all-wheel drive, long wheelbase, 3.7 liter. And honestly, I'm kind of glad I got this over the Q50, just because it's real luxury, you know what I'm saying? So if you ever drove inside of one or rode inside of one, then you know what I'm talking about. But it got everything the Q50 got, plus, you know, the luxury aspect too. But yeah, so what happened with the car though? As y'all seen, I sold my Altima last year, way back in November. The car been gone. When I had got this one, I had a couple things I needed to get fixed that they really were dragging their foot on, so that's why I ain't have it for, you know, for a smooth minute. Dang, will be a police going this way. But, you know, with all that being said, we finally back though. We got the car, and we about to get back to making these videos. This one is gonna be, you know, a quick little POV drive for y'all. As you can hear, I already got the exhaust done. At first, I had just went with a muffler delete, which sounded great, but I had already, I had two vibrant resonators already just sitting around. So I'm like, you know what, let me put them on just to see. So I took out the stock resonator, I got put the vibrants on there, and then it's way louder, for sure way louder. I think I need to find a muffler that I want to, like an aftermarket muffler, because sometimes on like when it's shift and stuff like that, it's a little bit raspy, just a little bit. So I might be wanting to change that. Other than that, nah, it sounds great though. Now, for anybody that might be looking to get a Q70 still at this point, one thing to note is if you get the long wheelbase like I got, the exhaust is way longer. So keep that in mind. So with this car, it does obviously sound like a VQ, but like if you just get a muffler delete and you start it up, it's gonna still be quiet because it's, you know, it's a lot more exhaust to go through. But of course, once you get on it a little bit, you know, it's still gonna be real loud. So just something to keep in mind. But yeah, rest of this video, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. I'm open the sunroof, probably open the windows and let y'all hear the car. And yeah, we're gonna get it going like that. might be too windy to let the windows down. I'm gonna keep the sunroof open. I hope these people turn it. They'll sit here and go 30 miles per hour down this whole road, bro. She do pop a little bit too. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Oh, let me let the windows down. Close the sunroof. Popping. I don't know if it pick up through the camera, but on the shifts, you can hear that rasp I'm talking about a little bit. So I might throw some mufflers on there just to knock that up. If y'all got recommendations for mufflers, let me know below. Y'all let me know too. Normally, I don't downshift to first gear. I just slow down and let it downshift on its own. Just because I heard it's like unnecessary wear and tear on the transmission or the engine. Y'all let me know. Y'all downshift to first, or y'all just stop in second and let it downshift on its own? Alright, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Just take y'all just quick little POV drive to get some food. I'm starving. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see with the car. We're gonna be going to car meets and all that good stuff. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see with the car though. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.